Today I will show how to install MySQL 8.0.31 Server and Workbench latest version on Windows 11 or 10. So open any web browser. So now just search mysql.com. Then here click on downloads. Now scroll down and select MySQL GPL downloads. Now here click on MySQL installer for Windows. Now here select operating system Microsoft Windows and here click on download. It's 8.0.31. Now here click on no thanks, just start my download. Now double click on the setup file. If it will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now here select custom, then click on next. Now here MySQL server, so select MySQL server 8.0 and here select 8.031, then click on this arrow. Now click on applications, so select MySQL Workbench and this latest one, then click on this arrow and last one MySQL shell, so expand and select this latest one. Now we have these three one. Now here click on next. Now here click on execute. So wait for a few seconds till this downloading process will be complete. Now here click on next. Then click on execute. Now once this complete, click on next. Now here again click on next. Now leave as default these all settings. Then click on next. Use a strong password and it's recommended. So enter your desired password. You can see here password strength. So make here strong, then next. Now leave as default and click on next. Then click on next and execute this all. Now we can see here configuration for MySQL server is successful. Then here click on finish. Then click on next. Then again click on finish. And here guys you will see your root connections. Once you click here, enter your password. Then click on OK. So this way guys you can install MySQL in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.